he has been, because when the line is not right, when the length is not right, then the batsmen who are adept against pace bowling can just dispatch that very easily for a boundary.
There was so much room outside the off stump that Mangal Marur had absolutely no problem in placing that ball. And now they've got a boundary rider on the cover. Point, cover, deep cover. And this time he goes to the onside. Vidon can only stand and watch and then fetch. So back-to-back boundaries from Mangal Marur and the momentum back with Patna Pilots. Remember, they're chasing a not so high target of 150.
That was an incredible shot, incredible pull shot, because it wasn't hit in a regular way. It wasn't as if the weight was transferred onto the back foot, pretty much on the off the front foot, and just pulled it in front of square. That was a sterling shot by the captain, Mangal. Oh, that's played well. Square driven over there. This one would be another boundary. Well done, Captain Mangal. Back-to-back boundaries.
3 boundaries on the trot for Mangal Marur. 1 through cover, 1 through point, and 1 in between onto the onside deep mid-wicket. And Prashant Srivastava suddenly seems to have run out of ideas. Looking askance at the point fielder. First 2 overs cost him just 10, but now this over has already cost him 12. And make it more! 6 more! Mangal Marur is really in a murderous mood, and Prashant Srivastava is at the receiving end.
That went many a mile. The ball just became a star that went into the trees over there, hit from the meat of the bat, and look at that pose. He held that pose. He's admiring it because he loves it. He loves it. And Prashant just wearing a look of despair right now. He's running short of ideas because he's been hit for 4, 6, and the ball's gone.
Well, that's the 3rd ball that we have seen being replaced. Twice it's gone into the school area. Once it went into the car park. Prashant Srivastava under a lot of pressure now. Bowling his 3rd over. We are in the power play. Sashi got a wicket in the last over, but Prashant now getting the wrong end of the stick from Mangal. 3 4s and a 6. Already given away 18. What is coming off the last one? Prashant doesn't want to bowl it.
Yeah, and also the byproduct of those 6s is that that's DAV school for you over there. There's a big shout over there, and that's the credit finger that goes up, and he is pumped. Prashant is pumped because that is the perfect reply. What a reply by the bowler over there. Mangal Marur, who had tongued him 4 boundaries on the trot. He gets this one and he gets his pace to absolute good use. That ball nipping back, hitting him in line, and boy, aren't you pumped. Oh, there you go. The captain going for a well played 22, just on 14 deliveries.
Anticipation's building. On the road, at the races, from the young to the old, the beginners to Olympians, the joy of a new season. You can't beat it, but you can join it. Eurosport and GCN, home of cycling. For 2. What a start. First
we were saying that for the batting side, suddenly those 2 wickets have pegged them back. Last over, enterprising as Raman McGrath walks into bat. Enterprising. And there was no moment of boredom. Excitement galore right through. Except for the first ball, there was dot 4, 6 wicket. Paramjit Rawat in the company of my friend and colleague, Sunil Taneja. That's a white dog.
Thank you, Paddy. Yes, we all thought that there was a mission Mangal going on for Patna pilots. 4, 4, 4 and 6. But that mission was... have a look. This is the first 4 from the offside. Second boundary of the full shot. Third one very elegantly played, and this is that beautiful sixer.
That's a perfect comeback. I will have the final laugh is what he was saying. The batsman ruled the roost, 18 runs, and then they came back. So what it teaches is that there will be moments that you'll not be able to conquer. You'll be on the receiving end, but don't give up. Come back. That's exactly what he did. He came back with that wicket. Interestingly poised this.
Mission Mangal launched, almost successful, and then destructed on the last ball of the last over. So, plenty of lessons to learn for everybody from the over number 5th of this innings.
Well, here's the one I was talking about. And you know what? Oh, wicket number 3. Is it? No, umpire says quieten down. That is going to be a very interesting replay to watch, because in my opinion, I seem to have no doubt that he was hitting the stumps. Where did it hit the batsman is the question. Mind you, the umpiring standard in the tournament has been outstanding, no doubt about it.
Let's have a look at the replay, Paddy. You're the best man to describe.
It comes in. Now, because his foot was just on the popping crease there, I don't think the ball would have missed the leg stump. That would have crashed into the stumps. Umpire thinks otherwise. What he thinks matters.
What we think does not, and both of us thought that it was the perfect case for an LBW.
Oh yes, I thought the verdict was going to come in their favor, because the appeal was good, the case was strong.
We all thought that he's going to play a steep